sisters, my friends, or people in online. And thank you so much to watching my channels and then listen. Um, I speak to you guys and the whole world because we are the son of God. We obey to God. We know exactly God can reason to us, and then we will be angels one day. But you know what? Once your household, okay, your parents or your mom, your parents, your dad, your mom, right? But tell you something about to you, you should be obey, right? You don't obey, yes, you will be traumatized. Your mom and your dad love you, but cannot um, holding back to you because what the Lord is punishment to you. Here I want to talk about that. Yeah, one thing. Chero te baka tata mila no pakanyote pakro patu pata le teninya ini baka le baka no kasaywa jewera no number 8 yua negasa no number 8 yua negasa sitane no love the Lord your God no number 8 yua negasa no there are commandment no command no begitu ma pay ni these are command away ni mira tatsu no to decrease and Lord to the Lord your God directly mean to the tissue to the obsess and the land. Thus you are crossing the Jordan in the process. No, when you meet a tato lo bakala no, kasajwa la hilona, titulo nakaduna kana observe no nakadukana learn nakale ora ta lot the tone no ta lot the tone le aka pagatana mala nakaba khoga wala Jordan tiko not T the bone Jordan bone no nagabad level so that's you no we may call away in now no your children and your their children after there then may fear the Lord your God as long as you live by keeping all his decrees and the commands that I give you as so that you may enjoy long life you know Pagate malata win away in Napo do na no pagate Napo do na no do Napo thit pa no Napo thit pa do kabal le kho ga wada no pagate mala kaba pli ka sa yua le tu ko ba umu do tu ko ba pa ga no tu ko ba e o qui o ato go no do pagate mala pay le je hilo tu le didro tu ko umu no tu ko mu ye tho le tu ta mo pu lo no here no awane kana no oh Israel no pagate mo pa Israel pati awane pagate ran ba kala Israel agi le mo no de pagate ne ba ta ma lo no we learn about the Israelis people because you know what Israel people is the God loved one um we know about the one we follow the God's way, we will be son of God, the same thing. The God love us, and then the God will take care of us. We know this, no? Here, be careful to obey, no? Be careful to obey, so that it may go well, no? When it on the tuba, kategori the titi baba, to the koba dukanata, no? When it can let a look baba with youth and thus you may increase greatly in the land flowing with meat and honey. No, porque mala when a do le dona do carbano na tu ka do to ato no agale no le talo weni no porque ma a le puero no puero tan tiro que so just as the Lord no when it meet al kasayo no when it meet kasayo the God of your father promise you no away ni kasaywa no kasaywa la olo taro tu pati de palo tira no when me bakala kasaywa olo taro no pa isile pho apa de pa so ise so yaku so abraha no let na patinya la here no kana o Israel no pa isla pho tiu no the Lord our God no away ni kasaywa pagasa no pagasa kasaywa ni the Lord is one no tell you are okay only one the Lord is one no Lord love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your strength no strength pagkatero wala na ma ejwa na kasala na su na ta dor ka ba no le na better na sa do le no na tu do plus sa do plus do le na ta na ri na ba khello this commandment that I give you today are to be upon your heart no ta to ta so lo ye hi lo na tininya ini ka ba mi ra lo ko o lo le no ka lo ra lo na tu na sa pu no I am no impress them on your children no pagkatero mala de tinya o no chuno ne o la na pho ti pha pu no thought about them no number teba away then you seek at home no learn a chin or learn a hipu and no we blood or then you walk along the road no road pagkatero pen na hale clay no pe na harga siko once you lay down and once you get up no na mino don na sit pe na mino pe na sit no I want to kill a gasila no matin or no makatuda no tie them assemble no on your hand no pagkatero mala na ba bi ka la no tap no way le na shoe alo no na hand and burn them on your foreheads no kwe na pagkatero mala kwe pawalan na kota kilo no write them on the door front no learn the trello door front no learn the trello on your house and on your gate no learn the hilo or learn the trello no kalagsen when the Lord your God bring you into the land he swore to your father to Abraham Isaac and Jacob to give you no away ni pater mala kasa yo la hesona la talot dollar pater mala no kabula a olo patita do na paso abraha so ise so yaku do ahilona le talot kailo no a land with largest no when it made out talot la ale no Florence cities you did not build no pater mala when it made out ti call a he pater mala no lo pwe do ta pater ma a hi ala ti call a hi la no net ti ba no net ti ba you did not build sidan net ti tho we ba no Florence no house fills with all kind of good things you did not provide no pater ma hi ni le pwe a pwe we do ta phu ta li ti pha la ta khi ma ta phu ta li le a khi ti pha no e ti ma a khi ti pha no awan ni net ta ma over no you did not provide no ta ma over well you did not dig no awan ni really mo no basana ki do no net choose ko over no net khu si over no vineyards and all no olives no growth you did not plan no pane pagten mala no sepe mu do to ti pha ne no pagten mala awan ni ta hi lo su do su te ka te to ta no mi ba no su te su lo ma then no once you eat and are satisfied no pen ne su order do no aware sick on the not talking be careful that you do not forget the Lord no na ba palo na ta le na da ba lo ta pe no na ka sa yo ba ri no na ma ta pe no na ka sa yo ri no who brought you out of Egypt no awan ta hesona ta thula na le ko abutu pu no when out of the land of slavery no slavery I want it talo le kupwa no na tu ke kupwa lom no at a no slaveries no fear the Lord your God no na ma pli ni kasa jwa na kasa na jwa no serve him only and take your oath in his name no na ba ma the atau do no pagitana mala na ba hi ni vera atatu ta so tit pha lo no ata all tit pha oxida ata all tit pha ne lo no le ami do not follow other gods no pagitana ma na ba lo po thwe sit ko na jua agu ga ba no the gods are the people around you no pagitana the gods no pagitana mala ka sa tit pha no u a mala olo na khu na khu no pa ka nyo tit pha lo olo na khu na khu for the Lord your gods no I want to look at sa jua ago le na ka sa ago who is among you no pa matara ga le kwa thwe na ga le no is the jealous God and his angels will burn against you no I want to sa le ba ke ma la no sa thoda no ka sa le a sa thoda do meta la no aware kama no kama lo ka lu lo ka thoda tu lo no and he will destroy you no aware kama how tu lo no you don't believe to you don't obey to God will destroy you okay let us go from the face of the land no I want to meet no pen the two no kwasameda no tu ora tu tiwera la no tu no tu le kwara la ta lo ta to ne ho ne lo do not test the Lord your God as you did as message no pagiteno mala na balu makwa nekasa no na balu makwa nekasa no na jwa de no a one is sick on it no neka pagiteno mala ka kero pa pulo no missa no be sure to keep the command of the Lord your God and the no stipulation and decrees he has given you no I want to sick on number pagala kasaywa no pagiteno mala number paga kasaywa atatu tato tit pa Johanna kasa atatu tato tit pa do nathu kabama atho no do lo awe hina awane no later no kwa pakro patu pata sick on no do what is right and good in the Lord's sight no naba mara tedmile no pagiteno mala ta ba do ta ri le kasaywa akapa le lo awon lo no so that it may go well with you and you may go in the take over the good land that the Lord's promised on earth to your forefather no awon kasaywa olo ta tu pa tit pa no ba mnu le ne dikle ba ta khi no do pagiteno mala na ko Owera le a poko don pagitama talo le ri le kasaywa olo talo tu pa da pa no your forefather ne pa da pa no forefather no penny no thirsting out all your enemy before no you as the Lord said no let no go down aware no heart of good no na do na da te pa no ta clue learn me nya no and do ka sa te bra in the future no do kasunya ke he ni when you son ask you no pen na po kwa mi fi kwa na ni what is the meaning of the stipulation no stipulation sitane no may not learn no let it pan or the back did over a lot of common no stipulation no away ni metala ta minute miller na no pain in the poor quality mythic quality millimeters no stipulation and minute miller no away decrease and law no pagiteno decrease and law no the laws our God has commanded you no away in the thing ya on ma nó do not put or le away the tatu tatu la kasa you are but then one more lota then only lo tell him nagabate or no namate away the we were slaves of Pharaoh in Egypt no when it po wera le no ke po le no so pa Pharaoh le ko tu no but the Lord brought us out of Egypt with the mighty hand no when it sa you are no to talk po le po te ma le ko tu le asu no po na le asu no before our eye, no, our eye, the Lord sent miraculous sign and the wonder, no, great and the terrible upon Egypt and the Pharaoh and his whole household, no, begin mala, a penny begin mala, no, the clue kasayua, tida, no, patida, patiba, the clue patida, no, kasayua, no, begin mala, san no awe malo wala bakala no ta pagiter mata malo la ti pa no do ta la akhi wa ti pa do kan mata la akhi ti pa no do ma ba wala pa akutu polo terrible rupon agent no pagiter ma lo ba wala ta uta solo ko butu no ko butu pu paro no pagiter ma da ahi pu ko pu kele ti pa no but no but he brought us out from there to bring us in and give us the land that he promised on earth to our forefather no let us know aware he top war or pagana mala aware head of war sutalo the dollar aware all dollar the color aware all da dog papa the pam no the laws command us to obey no when it kasa you are teva pwala aware no pagba dukana or no pagba dukana no all these decrees and the fear the laws our God no pagitana pagba athola no tawe kelekasine gba athora no gba pli pagasa paywane lo no so that we might always purpose no prosper and be keep alive no let them go to a pathinya la kane pagba no pagba thobu bu ko ni pagba paga no baba hukles no pagba paga la pataw mu ko no as is the case today no when it meta mathala teninya no and if we are careful to obey all these laws before the laws of our God, no, pagkita mala, no, hukles, no, pagkita mala, kwasame, titi babara, umundo, do canala, tato, the pala, no, kasaywa hipwa, no, shua pagkasa hipwa ini, no, pagkita mala, as he has commanded us, no, pagkita pay away hilopwa, no, away mobwa. That will be our restaurants, no, no. Pagkita away ne mitala powe tamitalo, kamidala powera tamitato long, no. Okay, we know about this. Okay, the Lord we should be loved, no, the Lord our God. Okay, we believe Jesus, right? Because the Israel makes this so many things, all right. That's why the God sent Jesus on the earth. Okay, this means is we believe Jesus come from God, the Son of God. You don't believe? Think about carefully. Okay, when you read the and Matthew, okay, Matthew chapter 3, maybe there, you should think about the Jesus baptizing. When Jesus baptizing it, the God said, in the heaven coming something important thing. Okay, here I want to read you about the God love people. Okay, the God love people means something important to God. Okay, all people baptized mean they are the loved one of God. Okay, because you know what the God said in the heaven opening